Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma, TGT Science from Pratap World School, Pathankot. Today we are going to discuss the chapter called Nutrition in Plants for Class 7. We have already discussed the introduction to nutrition and why food is required for organisms. We have also discussed the mode of nutrition in plants. Today we are going to discuss the topic called photosynthesis. Students, the process by which green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight is called photosynthesis. So, here photosynthesis is a process which mainly occurs in green plants. Okay, and these green plants are preparing their own food, that means they are autotroph in nature. What kind of food do they produce? They generally produce simple substance which is glucose. How this glucose is produced? What is the raw material which is used to produce this food? The raw material which green plants use to produce glucose is carbon dioxide and water. And which energy do they use to make glucose? They use sunlight. As we know that light is also a form of energy. So, these green plants are using carbon dioxide and water. By utilizing the energy called sunlight, they are producing the food which is glucose, and the process is called photosynthesis. Now, here you can see only green plants are able to make their food. That is, only green plants are called autotrophs. Why is it so? Because green plants contain chlorophyll, or we can say that plants look green because of the presence of chlorophyll, and these chlorophyll are present in chloroplast. Okay, so these green plants, in the presence of chlorophyll, when react carbon dioxide and water together in the presence of utilizing sunlight energy, they produce their own food or simple substances called glucose, and this process is called photosynthesis. As such, photo means light and synthesis means to produce or generate. So in the name itself it is explained there that this process will involve light. The process of photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of the plant. Why the process of photosynthesis is happening only in the leaves? Because the leaves contain chlorophyll. Okay, here from this definition we have learned that photosynthesis occur only in green plants. Now the part of the plant which is green is leaves. Why is it looking green? Because chlorophyll is present there. So the process of photosynthesis which require presence of chlorophyll is present only in leaf. Therefore, the process of photosynthesis takes place in leaf. Okay, that is why leaves are called food factories of plant. You must have studied in your lower classes this statement. Now, oxygen gas is produced as a byproduct during photosynthesis. So, is photosynthesis process we have studied that green plants are basically producing their own food which may comprise of glucose. Okay, and in this they are using raw material called carbon dioxide and water, and they are producing glucose. But in the production of glucose or in the production of their own food, they make a byproduct also which is oxygen. That is why we say that plants, they give us oxygen. Here you can see that this is a green plant in the presence, and you can see that these are the green leaves. The carbon dioxide is entering the green leaves because of the chlorophyll in the leaf. This carbon dioxide and water which a plant is getting from soil, this carbon dioxide and water is reacting in the presence of chlorophyll. When light energy is there, glucose is formed and a byproduct oxygen is released. Okay, so this is the process of photosynthesis. Now, food factories of plant, as I discussed earlier only, that the synthesis of food, it occurs in the leaves of a plant only. That is why leaves are called food factories of plant. But why is it happening only in leaves? Why? Because the process of photosynthesis can only happen if chlorophyll pigment is present there, and the chlorophyll pigment is only present in leaves. That is why the leaves are looking green. Okay, so these leaves are called food factories of plant. Other parts of plant usually cannot synthesize food because they do not contain chlorophyll. So here you can see in this leaf, carbon dioxide enter and oxygen and water as byproducts of photosynthesis, they are released in the environment. Next is the topic called how this photosynthesis is happening. In this picture you can see this is a green plant. Carbon dioxide from atmosphere is entering green leaves, and the water is entering green leaves through the shoot system. Now here in this green leaf, carbon dioxide along with water is reacting together. Why it is happening here? Because chlorophyll is present. Okay? Always remember that this carbon dioxide in water is reacting in the presence of chlorophyll, which is only present in the green plants. Now light energy, as it is available from the sun. Now the reaction is happening here, the food production is happening here, and the carbon dioxide plus water is getting converted into glucose. Along with the glucose, oxygen and water vapors are also produced. So oxygen which is produced and water vapor which is produced, they exit the leaf. And the water loss which is happening from this leaf is also called transpiration. Okay? And the excess sugar which is produced, is stored in the different parts of plant. So in our next series, we will see how the photosynthesis is taking place. Thank you so much for your patient listening.